Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, Marina Bay Sands. Marina Bay Sands isn't just a hotel, it's a marvel of modern engineering and luxury. Designed by renowned architect Moshe Safdie, the three 57-story towers are topped by the SkyPark, a vast platform stretching 340 meters across. To give you a sense of scale, that's longer than the Eiffel Tower's height. Interestingly, the SkyPark can hold up to 3,900 people at once. That's like having a small city up in the air. It features the world's largest rooftop infinity pool, where guests can literally swim on the edge of the city skyline. Whether it's luxury shopping, Michelin-starred dining, or the breathtaking light and water show, this place is an experience like no other. The casino inside is one of the most expensive ever built, with the entire complex costing over $8 billion. Beyond its stunning architecture, Marina Bay Sands also has the Art Science Museum, with its unique lotus-like design, and the Rain Oculus, a fascinating water feature within. Whether it's luxury shopping, Michelin-starred dining, or the breathtaking light and water show, this place is an experience like no other. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more amazing places. Thank you for watching.